Welcome to our podcast on creating a digital marketing plan for nonprofits. I'm your host, Jane, and today we have Jason, an expert in digital marketing, joining us to share his insights. Jason, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Jane. I'm excited to be here.
So, let's dive right in. What is a digital marketing plan, and why is it essential for nonprofits?
Well, think of a digital marketing plan like a roadmap. It outlines how a nonprofit can achieve its online goals, whether that's increasing donations, raising awareness, or engaging with supporters.
I love that analogy, and I'm sure our listeners are wondering, what are some key components of a digital marketing plan for nonprofits?
Okay, so first, you need to define your goals and target audience. Who are you trying to reach and what do you want them to do? Then take a hard look at your current online presence, website, social media, the whole 9 yards.
That makes sense. And what about content strategy? How does that fit into the plan?
Content strategy is huge. You need to think about what types of content will resonate with your audience and how you'll get it in front of them. Blog posts, social media posts, email newsletters, the possibilities are endless.
I'm curious, can you give us an example of a nonprofit that's really nailed their digital marketing plan?
One example that comes to mind is the Owls Association. Their Ice Bucket Challenge campaign was a game changer. It raised millions of dollars for owls research and became a viral sensation.
Wow, that's amazing. And I'm sure our listeners are wondering, how can they measure the success of their own digital marketing efforts?
There are lots of ways to measure success, from website traffic to social media engagement to email open rates, and tools like Google Analytics can help nonprofits track their online presence and make data-driven decisions.
Those are all great tips. Finally, what advice would you give to nonprofits that are just starting to create a digital marketing plan?
My advice would be to start small, focus on your goals, and be patient. Creating a digital marketing plan takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. And don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. That's where the magic happens.
Thanks, Jason, for sharing your expertise with us today. I'm sure our listeners will find your insights super helpful in creating their own digital marketing plans.
Thanks, Jane. It was a blast being on the show.